Hello Dan, it's the Rap here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this brand new 2018 Suzuki RM-Z250. This motorcycle has already $500 rebate in it, so the price after rebate is at $85.48. This price includes PDI. As you see, it's been already assembled and it's ready to go. We did not do any test rides so far, but it is already PDI'd and it's ready. So I have only one in stock. It is a brand new one and it's available. I saw your email with your trade-in, so I'll get back to you with some details how much we can offer you for the trade, and I'll give you the number, what's the difference in between these two motorcycles. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.